Hey there, aspiring trainers! Ever dreamt of a career where you can transform lives and build your own future? Welcome to NPTI Florida, where your fitness journey truly begins. First things first, why choose personal training as a career? Let me tell you, the fitness industry is booming. People everywhere are prioritizing health and wellness like never before. And that's where you come in. As a personal trainer, you not only help clients achieve their fitness goals, but also boost their confidence, mental health, and overall well-being. It's a career that changes lives, including your own. Now, why NPTI Florida? What sets us apart from the rest? For starters, we offer a career diploma, not just a certification. That means you get a comprehensive education that prepares you for the real world. With a 25-year history and students from all over the globe, we're well-established and internationally recognized, but it doesn't stop there. We know job placement is crucial. That's why we focus heavily on helping you land that dream job. Graduates from our program are in high demand nationwide. Our connections and reputation pave the way for your success. And let's talk about accessibility. Financial aid and veteran education benefits make our program affordable and within reach. We believe everyone should have the opportunity to pursue their passion without financial barriers holding them back. Picture this, you in sunny Florida, immersed in a culture that breathes fitness. Imagine hands-on training, real-world experience, and a supportive community that's got your back every step of the way. From classroom learning to practical applications, we cover it all. Our program is designed to give you the skills and confidence to thrive in the fitness industry. Think about the impact you can make, the people you'll inspire, the careers you'll build. With NPTI Florida, you're not just getting an education, you're investing in a future filled with possibilities. So, if you're ready to jumpstart your fitness career, look no further. NPTI Florida is your ticket to a thriving, rewarding career as a personal trainer. Transform lives starting with your own. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button for more insights into the world of fitness and personal training. And remember, your journey starts here at NPTI Florida. Catch you in the next video.